And please welcome our next presenter, Katherina Lebedeva.
I felt a funeral in my brain. Some people say there is no better way to describe depression than these words of Emily Dickinson. 2 in 10 people in this room at some stage of their life will experience this unexplained deep sadness and inability to enjoy anything in their life. The treatments we have for depression are appalling. They're ineffective, they're costly, they come with innumerable side effects, they are a disaster. And mostly because the mechanism of this disorder is yet beyond our understanding. My name is Katherina, and my research investigates how chronic stress contributes to depression and what brain mechanisms are responsible for this disease. To do that, I have developed an animal model in which rats go through multiple cycles of chronic stress and recovery to imitate the human recurrent depression. My research identified 3 interesting findings. One is that rats develop sensitization with every subsequent episode of depression, in such a way that if the initial chronic stress triggers depression, later smaller stress is sufficient to induce another episode of depression. Second is that chronically stressed rats continuously lose the number and complexity of brain cells. On the slide, you can see how the neurons look like in a chronically stressed rat compared to a healthy controlled rat. The difference is quite striking. The third finding is related to a protein called repressor element silencing transcription factor, or simply REST. This protein was found very important in healthy aging. This means that the REST levels increase in our brains as we age to protect us from brain diseases. In my model of depression, I found that after just 1 episode of chronic stress, REST levels increase in the brains of depressed rats to signify the compensatory mechanism. However, after 3 episodes of chronic stress, the REST levels dramatically drop, suggesting the failure of the brain's protective ability. The findings of my PhD thesis indicate that the REST protein could be a novel target of the new antidepressant medication that will be able to restore the brain's protective ability and help the depressed individuals to truly enjoy life once again. Thank you.